The Fas-Trac 3 Sweatband Accessory wicks moisture from the brow. This accessory is optional, washable, and can be attached while the suspension is in the shell. To attach this accessory into the shell, turn the shell upside down with the suspension assembled in it and the ratchet to the back. Turn the sweat wicking pad so the side with the 4 holes is facing into the shell and aligns with the buttons at the front of the suspension. The light gray side of the sweatband accessory should be facing you. Align the 2 middle holes on the pad with the 2 middle buttons on the headband and attach them. Then move to the left and right holes, attaching the accessory to the left and right buttons respectively. Pull lightly on the accessory to ensure the product is fully engaged. Once done, wrap the accessory around the suspension, place the left hole on the left post and the right hole on the right post. Smooth the pad and don the helmet. Thank you for joining me to learn more about the Fas-Trac 3 ratchet suspension and some of MSA's above-the-neck protection products. To learn more, please visit us at msasafety.com or call MSA Customer Service at 1-800-MSA-2222.